Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the Midweek Escape Artist. It is a Monday afternoon. It is 1:45. I had to do a little bit of work this morning, but we're still heading out to camp today. And we're going to a private property this time, which I found on a recent forum, and I thought I'd give it a go. There's only 2 sites, so I'm expecting us to have a really nice, easy camp with no one else around. We had some rain coming up here, as you saw earlier, but all of a sudden the clouds have sort of parted and it's sunny again. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. I think we are in for a little bit of wind and a little bit of rain overnight. I don't think it's going to be anything like the previous video, but we'll see how we go. I've got a couple of new bits and pieces of gear with me today that I'm keen to try out and test, and I'll show you what those are. But in the meantime, I'm about 30 minutes away from camp, so I'm going to keep smashing this, and I'll see you there. Hey guys, wow, this was the easiest camp setup I've ever had to do. Everything was already here. This amazing kitchen space with water and gas and power, it's phenomenal. Wow. All I did was basically set up my tent, and yeah, camp's ready. I'm so stoked. Wow, this place is amazing. It's in sort of a dip in a dell. It's a little exposed, but oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to show you a little bit in a minute. I'll walk you around. But wow, this is a really cool place. So what's going to happen today, I'm going to make the ragu that we were going to make for the previous camp. That didn't work, so I'm going to make that tonight, which I'm very excited for. But in the meantime, I'm going to have a coffee, and not just any coffee. I'm going to try these guys. So, coffee time. Hey buddy, hey buddy, hello, hello. Alright guys, so for tonight we're doing a beautiful beef ragu. I've got some gorgeous Wagyu steak I'm going to use. I'm just prepping off my veggies right now, so what I need to do is some diced onions, diced carrots and diced celery. Oh, it's going to be so good. I decided to make it on my stoves just because I want a big fire tonight and I don't want to be messing around with coal, so we'll do the ragu on the stoves. I've made a little windbreak in there. So yeah, I'm going to keep dicing up these veg and I'll come back to you when it's all done. Yay! Alright guys, got my oven lit, veggies are prepped, going in with some olive oil, nice dollop, yes, cool, I'm going to let that preheat. Cool, so that's on relatively high heat at the moment just because I want those onions to start browning. In the meantime, I'm going to start taking care of the steak. Yes. Cool. I've got my tool. I'm gonna get this in. Cool. As soon as that starts sizzling, we'll know we're there. So I've got these beautiful pieces of porterhouse. So I'm just going to prep them into sort of largish kind of cubey bits. Good thing is there's no birds around, so if you've watched some of my previous videos, you'll know birds are my enemy. They always take my food, so it's good to hear. There are birds around, but I don't think they're going to come near me, which is good. Watch a bird fly in and take my steak. It's so nice having a kitchen just here. Wow! That is beyond epic and totally unexpected. Sure. Alright, there we go. I'm going to rinse my hands. Cool, let's see how we're going. Okay, not quite there yet. I need that to like sizzle and just be gorgeous. I've got some red wine for tonight and fresh delicious egg linguine. Woohoo. How's everyone else doing? I'm really loving the whiskies camping. I used to bring beers with me camping, but I don't know, recently I've been finding beers bloating me a lot more. And yeah, I've been looking for an alternative and I think I found it. A nice whiskey soda. It's pretty good. It also packs down a little smaller than a whole bunch of six packs, so there we go, winning. And if you saw before, I've made these beautiful ice balls. They're like massive chunks of ice and they keep in the esky really well. I've still got like 6 of them left. It's fantastic. Oh, and the dog knocked over one of my drinks. My mate, he didn't mean it. Beautiful dog. Wow, it's so good to have a dog with me as well. The clouds are clearing, sun's coming out. Perfect day. Perfect day to camp. Guys, thank you for being here. It's going to be a good one. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get this ragu going. So, I'm going to sign off. I'll come back to you when there's progress. Right guys, the veggies are browned. I'm going to stick the meat in and brown that off. Woohoo. Okay. Alright, the meat's in, and what I'll need to do now is we're going to go in with some bay leaf. I like to keep them whole because I tend to take them out afterwards. So 2, maybe 3 big bay leaves, yes. Cool. And generous amount of salt. An even more generouser amount of pepper. Cool. And some oregano. Cool. Just gonna give that a little stir. Quite windy now. Oh, that smells phenomenal. Now, garlic. I like lots of garlic. Stir. Nope, lost a bit. Hello. How's it going?
Great. How are you going?
Excellent, thank you.
That's good.
Wow, how nice was that? The owner just stopped by to see if we've got everything we need. Man, I love this campsite. This is perfect. Attentive, it's well maintained, gorgeous. Wow. Right, we'll definitely be back here, but in the meantime, we've got tomatoes going in right now. This is my favorite cans of tomato. It's the Muti Pulpa. If you can get your hands on this guy, it's phenomenal. I love it. I use it for everything. And then equal amounts of tomato and water. Get some water out. There we go. So a can of tomatoes, can of water, and then we're pretty much done. There we go, maybe just less. There we are. Cool. Just gonna give this a little bit of a stir about. There we go. Oh, guys, this smells so good. Now, I like to put my red wine in at the end because I like the taste. So I'm just gonna put a couple of swigs of red wine in here right now. There we go. Oh, wind. There we are, guys. Ragu is done. I'm going to give it one more stir, then the lid goes on, temperature goes down, and then we just got to wait. What are we going to do? I know what we're going to do. We're going to chill out, sit by the fire, and I'll take you guys for a little walk around. See this amazing place. Right, there we go. So I'm going to stick the lid on. Turn the heat down. And there we go. Ragu ready. I'm going to clean up a little bit and I'll come back to you. Guys, so the ragu has been on for, what is it, 3.5 hours now? I think it's just about that time. But before then, we've got to get the pasta going. So I'm going to get my another stove primed and ready to go. Put some water in there, get the pasta going. And it's cold as well. Oh, I'm so looking forward to this. Okay, I'll come back to you when it's all good to go. The most amazing sunset right now. I gotta see if I can show you. We got some rain clouds coming in though. That's gonna be fun. Right. Okay, so while that's doing its thing, I need some water. Right. So the one thing to keep in mind when you're cooking pasta at a campsite is it requires quite a bit of water. So always bring extra if you can. The campsite that I'm at today kindly provided us some water, which is nice. So that's good. I don't think I brought enough. So if there was no water here, I probably wouldn't have had enough. Note for future. And I've just got to give a big shout out to Sea to Summit for these collapsible pots and pans. Man, they're amazing. They make life so easy. The lid has got these little holes in it so you can just drain the pasta right there. Brilliant. Wow. Oh, I'm so happy with that. But I'm going to get this on the oven and let's go. There we go, and water. Cool. Obviously making sure I don't get flames coming over and around the base plate. Oh, amazing. Alright guys, so we're about 10 minutes out from dinner. I'm going to get that water boiled. I'm going to salt that water as well. And dinner time. Guys, I just put the pasta in. We're like 2.5 minutes away from dinner time. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry. Beef ragu, fresh linguine. I've got some beautiful Parmesan cheese. Let's do it. There we go. Beautiful fresh beef ragu. Probably cooked for about 4 hours. Fresh linguine, lots of Parmesan. Oh, sorry, I need to get into this right now. Oh, delicious. You gotta slurp it. Oh wow. That is phenomenal. Easy to make. Takes a bit of time, but that's all. And it is delicious. I'm gonna eat this. If you guys enjoy the fire, I'll come back. Oh my goodness guys, that was such a fantastic dinner. Sure. It's about 8:30 right now. Sun's gone down, it's getting dark. So much life around here. Beautiful place. I hope everyone else is having as much fun as I am. I hope so. Lovely fire, really relaxed now. Gonna have my little whiskey and settle in. Yeah, beautiful. So in the morning guys, I'm gonna update you on a couple of things. We'll have a walk through the campsite. I'll show you the ablutions and the facilities that they have here. It's pretty phenomenal. I'm very impressed, and it takes a lot to impress me these days, but I'm impressed. So I'm going to turn my mic off. You guys enjoy this and enjoy the life, and I'll see you when it's bedtime. For sure. Cool. Hey guys, so, oh, what an amazing day. I had such a good time. This place, just all the facilities and everything they provide it's phenomenal. It makes camping so easy and just really relaxed and chilled out. Had a great dinner, sat by the fire for a couple of hours. It's about 11 o'clock now. It's time to hit the hay. So I'm going to have a bit of a snooze and I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Thank you so much for being here. If you've watched a couple of my videos before, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If this is your first one, welcome. There's many more to come. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning. See ya. Good morning, guys. So I've had a fantastic camp. I really like this place. Alma's Hem in the Inman Valley. Wow. Beautiful facilities. Really, really nice grounds. Just absolutely stunning. Thank you so much to the owners for having us. This place is wicked. I can highly recommend it. It's about an hour and 15 minutes out of Adelaide. Oh, phenomenal. I'm gonna head off home now. I might stop and get a coffee and a pie or something on the way. Oh, and I'll see you guys for the next one. thank you so much. Andre from the Midweek Escape Artist here. And yeah, camping's life.